Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Daniel Raza, and today we are going to see some basic command of Python and how to do work. Let's go to Python. Okay, let's print whatever you want to print on your Python. This one and enter. Okay, I already told you where and how to use the three ways you can use Python. Okay. So this video is about a little about I'm going to teach you how to use these commands and how will the Python shell respond. Okay, let's try this one. If 5, that's how you can print. Now I'm going to tell you how to use the statement. If 5 is greater than 2, okay, use this full stop, then print whatever you like to show. 5 is greater than 2 or anything you want to say. If 5 is greater than 2, then print this whatever you want. Okay, let's see. This is our but there is some problem in this thing. It's called indentation. Okay, indentation is referring to the space. Okay, you have to give some space after if statement for the print statement. If you don't give space, it will show an error like this one. See, if and print are exactly close together, it will not work. Okay, Python is sensitive, so you have to consider this. Let's try this again. Let's copy this statement and paste it. But this time, let's not give this space that much. Okay, it's directly beneath it. So let's run it again. See, unexpected error. But if we take this command again, Control C, Control V, let's give it the space it needs, and then end. Then after enter, and it works perfectly again. Okay, so be careful in the when using if statement. Okay, if you don't know how to use if statement, I'm going to tell you. It means if 5 is greater than 2, then do whatever is under. In this case, I'm telling you if 5 is greater than 2, then print this statement. 5 is greater than 2, so it's printing this statement. Okay, let's go ahead and see what else. Okay, this is how we declare variables. 5x is equal to 5. It means that the value of 5 will be stored in x. And if y is equal to hello world, the hello world value will be stored in y, this variable. When we say print x, it will print 5, and when we print y, it will print hello world. Okay, let's try this. Let's use this time. If x equal to 5, okay, and y equal to 2, let's use this thing again. I'm just going to copy it from here. Who's going to write code again and again, and v, and let's replace this with x and y. So it's saying 5 equal x is equal to 5, so the x value is 5 and y is equal to 2, and let's see if it will. Oh, again it works. Okay, let's copy this thing whole again. Control C and Control V. Okay, but here I'm going to make some changes this time. Let's go down. X is equal to y and this equal to x. Okay. I'm going this time let's see what happens. Error. It is because it is not greater than this. It has contains 2, it contains 5. Okay, let's go ahead and see other things. I hope you understand. If there is a problem, ask me in the comments. Okay, to I'm talking about comment, and here comes comment. Comments are very important in all languages because if someone else is going to look at your work, they can read and find out what you're saying about what these codes do. Okay, like let's try again. This is a comment. Is a print. It is a if statement. So the next guy who's going to work on your code will know this is an if statement. If 2 is greater than 5, what seems to be the problem? Okay. Print 2 is greater. It will give me an error because I haven't put the commas. Let's say great. Now let's see what happens. Nothing printed because 2 is not greater than 5. We'll do the same thing, but this time 5 or 2. Oh, sorry, I'm not used to writing like this. See, this is how it works. This time 5 is greater than 2. This is how if statement works. Let's go and see something else. We have already seen comments. Comments can be used to explain Python code. It is to tell you what you are doing, make code more readable. So if someone else is working with your code, they will know exactly what you're doing. Comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. Okay, you can prevent it from executing it by only adding a hash. Okay, this is a comment. Okay, now we know comments. All you have to do is hash. You can. The third line meaning was that if you are using a big code and a part you don't want to use a big part of it, you can use the hash to make that part a comment so it won't be read by the Python shell. Okay, let's see creating variables. As I already told you, x is equal to 5 of print, the answer will be 5 and